In this video, I'll guide you through how to start the billing timer in Clio Manage. Whether you're a lawyer, a paralegal, or anyone who relies on Clio Manage to keep track of billable hours, knowing how to efficiently use the billing timer is crucial. It's a simple tool that can significantly streamline your workflow and ensure accurate billing for the time you spend on various tasks. So, let's dive right into it. First, take a look at your Clio Manage dashboard. At the very top, you'll notice the header area, which is where we'll begin. In this header, there's a distinct icon that resembles a digital clock, displaying zeros in the format of 000000. This is your billing timer icon. Just beside this, you'll see two additional icons, one for pause and one for resume. To start tracking your time, simply click on the timer icon. This action will immediately initiate the timer, beginning your time tracking for whatever task you're about to undertake. Now, it's important to know that this timer runs in real time, so you can focus on your work without having to keep checking the clock. The timer is there to do the job for you, capturing every second of your work accurately. If you need to pause the timer for any reason, perhaps to take a break or switch tasks, you can click the pause icon. When you're ready to resume, simply click the resume icon, and the timer will pick up right where it left off. This flexibility ensures that every moment of your work is accounted for without any unnecessary hassle. If you're looking for an alternative way to start the timer, Clio Manage offers another straightforward method. Head to the top left corner of your screen, where you'll see the Global Create button. This is represented by a plus sign icon labeled as New. Clicking on this button opens up a menu with several options. From this menu, select Time Entry. This action will prompt a new window to open, allowing you to manually enter the details of your task and start the timer from there. This method is particularly useful if you need to record specific details about the task you're billing for right from the start. It provides an opportunity to input information such as the client, matter, and description before beginning your time tracking. By using either of these methods, you ensure that your time is logged accurately and efficiently. It's all about finding what works best for you and your workflow. Remember, using the billing timer effectively can make a big difference in your daily operations. It helps maintain transparency with clients, ensures accurate billing, and ultimately saves you time in the long run. So, whether you prefer the quick access offered by the header icon or the detailed entry option through the Global Create button, Clio Manage provides the flexibility you need to manage your billing effortlessly. And that's it! You're now equipped with the knowledge to start the billing timer in Clio Manage like a pro. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your time tracking a breeze. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore other resources or reach out for support. Happy time tracking!